How did we get our modern multiplication symbols? Imagine trying to do math before we had symbols to show multiplication. It would be like trying to read a secret code. The way we write multiplication today has a fascinating history. The modern multiplication sign, which looks like a small X or a cross, was actually introduced in the early 1600s. A British mathematician named William Oudid is credited with popularizing the times symbol around 1631. Before that, people just wrote numbers side by side or used a dot between them to show multiplication. For example, they might write 3 times 4 as 3 and 4 or use a dot like 3.4. The times symbol was chosen because it clearly looked like a cross and was easy to recognize. Interestingly, in 1618, an anonymous writer, probably Oudid himself, used the times symbol in a book about mathematics. This was one of the first times the symbol appeared in print. But not everyone liked the new symbol right away. The famous mathematician Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz preferred using a raised dot, which looks like a small centered dot, for multiplication. He thought the times could be confused with the letter X, which was often used for variables in algebra. Leibniz's dot notation, which looks like a centered dot, is still used today in higher math and science. The reason these symbols were created was to make writing math easier and faster. Before these symbols, math was written out in words or with awkward abbreviations. As math grew more complex, clear symbols helped everyone understand and communicate ideas better. The times sign is now common in elementary schools and basic arithmetic because it's simple and easy to remember. The dot notation is more popular in advanced math because it avoids confusion. Both symbols serve the same purpose, which is to show multiplication clearly. They are part of a larger story of how mathematicians work to create symbols that could express ideas simply and quickly. These symbols are a result of years of development, typographical choices, and the need for a universal language in math. So, the next time you see the times or the centered dot, remember they are symbols with a history that helped shape how we do math today.